Hi, what's ahead for my channel in the year 2023? Well, there's going to be a lot of different news segments as well as the normal stuff that I do. The science projects, some explosions, chemical reactions, etc. Here where I live, we are getting ready to have a winter storm. It's supposed to start today, tonight, with a wintry mix and turn into severe cold temperatures, blowing sub-zero wind with snow, causing whiteout conditions. So the scenery behind me will not look like that tomorrow, I guarantee it. But in 2023, what I'm going to be doing is more segments on astronomy. I'm going to be doing some product testing, rocketry and advanced rocketry, remote control flying machines, a segment called What Is This? Now this segment is mostly for the younger people. It's going to be featuring vintage items that most do not even know what it is. I'm going to be doing, like I said, chemistry, explosives, how-to projects, survival skills. What's inside is another segment. Toy testing, UFO investigations and sightings, and as seen on TV, products, and much, much more. So stay tuned to my channel. Thank you everybody who has stuck with me for over the years. And I hope everybody has a happy New Year's Eve coming up and a great 2023. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. For those of you who are getting ready to go through this winter storm with me, stay safe. If you don't have to go anywhere, don't go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.